This is a prototype of the black version, you could say, of the patented brake device like those in Eurasia, Georgia, and Europe. Here is the caliper, and here are the guides. The caliper serves as a quality braking component, and this is the brake disc. We aim to ensure that this innovative brake device can be installed seamlessly without any significant modification. This applies to both the wheels, the hubs, and also without any modification, let's say, to the overall system. The essential bracket, which is incredibly important so that it can be easily and quickly replaced in just a few short minutes, including, for example, the mechanism that allows it to return to its original state, caliper cylinder, including the return mechanism of the brake device. Of course, it will be tested. Here, this is precisely what it looks like for us in this particular setup. It is especially worth noting the crucial auxiliary equipment utilized here, which effectively connects the robust caliper mechanism to the intricate moving mechanism, thereby ensuring its optimal and continuous operation. Furthermore, the essential braking torque is securely fastened and supported on this very same sturdy bracket. There isn't a single hole, not a single thing, so that we would have to remove or add the bracket itself. These crucial bolts are specifically used to securely fasten and maintain the precise position of the caliper if and when necessary. And from that exact moment, from that fundamental and stable base, which effectively allows for the subsequent operations and adjustments at high pressures, to remain in a completely stationary, firmly fixed state, securely attached to the bracket. These bolts are simply there to effectively prevent any shifting. They do not support any load. This is precisely what it looks like. This is the return mechanism which operates when pressure is applied. In the caliper, the cylinder moves this plate. This will be demonstrated. It moves the bearing which surrounds the brake disc and is equipped with radially oriented elastic elements. These elements are shown here. Here are these elements. It deforms and creates the braking torque. According to our calculations, this is about 25% more than the usual braking torque. This mechanism is used for slowing down, for stabilizing speed. Since elastic elements can hold in a certain state, resistance, braking torque, can be generated of a certain magnitude. In this regard, according to Hooke's law, we can say that it will stabilize the speed and also stop it. This is located here. It will generate a braking torque. It can be used in automotive engineering. In this case, it can actually be used in many industries where deceleration, stabilization, or stopping of a rotating shaft is required. In this case, a disc. This is the basic version. We will make it as it should be. We will make it so that this whole mechanism will work. This mechanism is engaged. Except for the bearing, at the initial stage, everything will operate in lubrication. So the interacting cubic element with the inner ring of the bearing will not release anything outside. Any harmful particles. There is no dry sliding friction here. When the bearing moves, since there is definitely movement here, we introduce lubrication here for that reason. This is a brake mechanism. This one is for Mercedes-Benz. We made it complete with a caliper for Mercedes-Benz. We will also make them for other cars, larger ones and so on, or for more mass market vehicles.